Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TT. For those of you who know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Bobbi. It was sent over to me by Divatress. Thank you, Divatress, for sponsoring this video. So without further ado, go ahead and watch me install the wig, and then come back and I'll give you my 2, 3, 4 cents of whether you should be picking this thing up. Let's go.
Las mujeres de España, Argentinas y Dominicanas, de Perú y Guatemala, Venezuela, Cuba y Ecuador, de Chile y paraguayas, uruguayas y colombianas, México, Nicaragua y El Salvador. Llevan en la sangre el ritmo y el calor. Mira, ya te cuento, su veneno es mi adicción. Baile, fuego y movimiento lento, lento. Son puro amor. Mujeres latinas son lo mejor. Son corazón, candela que brilla, flama divina. Son emoción, las musas que dictan esta canción. Son bendición. Mujeres latinas, su ritmo es mi pasión. Por fin el fin de semana, yo me preparo para salir con calma, emocionado, bien perfumado, pa' que las mujeres me vean presentado. Son las latinas la octava maravilla, brillan y con...
So now you watch me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the unit. First of all, the name of the unit is LYNX MLP23 LYNX LYNX. Yeah. I have LYNX in the color TD4 27613P. The unit does come with 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. It does have a 4-inch lace deep part. It is part of the MediFresh Safe and Clean collection. It is heat safe. I'm assuming up to 400. It doesn't say so on the stock card. So that's all I see on the stock card that you guys may need to know. So my thoughts on the unit. This is a fun unit. Remember Bonnie? This is what it looks like. It looks like Bonnie's sister or cousin. That's what she looks like to me. I love the colors. I think it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. Yeah, I think it has 5 colors because there's a pink you're not seeing, like it's under hair. Yeah, so it's like pink, green, another green, and white, and a black, maybe 5. Yeah, I don't know. It has a lot of beautiful colors. The blend is gorgeous. It does have a little bit of flyaways. It is big and friendly. It doesn't tangle. It hasn't shed. I'd have to cut any lace because it didn't come with any lace. It just has the lace part from here to here. It's a very easy put on and go unit. It does come in other special colors. Even though it does come in special colors, it does come in the natural blacks, browns, reds. So if you didn't want something so flashy, you could go ahead and get in the natural colors. What would I rate this unit? A 10. Where would I wear it to? The rodeo, because the Houston rodeo is going on right now. But yeah, that's all I have for this unit. Let me know down in the description, do you think this color went pretty well with my skin tone, how I started with the makeup or lack thereof that I have for this unit? Would you pick this unit up in this color or in a natural color? Just let's have a conversation down in the comments. Let me know what your thoughts, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next wig. Bye.